Welcome to another Moodle for Instructors video. In this video, we're going to look at editing text. Let's start by turning Editing on in the top right corner so we can make changes to our course. To view a text editor, I'll add a page to the first week of my course, but you can also get to the text editor in many of the resources available to you in Moodle. I'll title this page Time Management. You'll notice that there's a text editor section in the description section, and another text editor in the page content section just below that. I'm going to scroll down to the page content section since I don't care to add a description on my main course page. In the page content section, I'll click on the toolbar icon to view all of my text editing options. You'll find some common formatting tools similar to what you'd find in Word, such as the ability to bold or italicize text, add bullets or numbers, change the alignment of your text, or change the font or font size. You can also play around with some formatting presets by clicking on the drop-down beside Paragraph. I'll select Heading 4 and type the text for this page. One thing to remember is the difference between using Enter and using Shift and Enter. Use Enter if you'd like to type text on a new paragraph. Press Shift and Enter if you'd like to jump down one single line. Or, if you'd like to shift an image or video down, use Shift and Enter as well. Since I'd like to add a single line space before inserting a video, I'll click Shift and Enter. I'll then paste a link to the video. To make sure the URL I pasted links to my YouTube video, I'll need to highlight the URL and then click Insert Edit Link. I'll then paste the link once more into the link URL field and click Insert. Once I'm happy with the look of the text, I'll scroll to the bottom and click Save and Display. If I'm not happy with the way the page displays, I can go back to my main course page, and in the drop-down arrow beside the page I inserted, I'll select Edit Settings. This will take me back to the text editor where I can make further edits. Or, if I've decided I don't want this page at all, I can select Delete from the drop-down menu instead. So that should get you started with editing text in Moodle. Just remember the difference between Enter and Shift Enter and you'll be set. And feel free to check out our other Moodle for Instructors videos, which will look at some other features in more detail.